In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Teams on your iPhone in this beginner tutorial. Whether you're setting up a meeting, chatting with a colleague, or simply trying to navigate the app, I've got you covered. Let's dive in. First, open the Microsoft Teams app on your iPhone. If you haven't downloaded it yet, be sure to head over to the App Store and search for Microsoft Teams. Once downloaded, go ahead and tap on the app to open it. Now, it's time to log in. Enter your Microsoft account credentials in the prompted fields. If you don't have an account, you can create one by following the on-screen instructions. Once you've entered your details, proceed by clicking on Send Code to receive a verification code, a common step for ensuring your account's security. Check your email or SMS for the code, and then input it into the app. Once entered, hit Sign In to access your account. After signing in, you might see an option to skip for now. Go ahead and click that to proceed without any additional settings. Next, the app will ask you to grant permissions for certain functionalities. Tap Allow when prompted to enable notifications, which ensures you don't miss out on any critical updates or messages. Once that's done, you'll see a Get Started button. Tap on it to move forward. Now you'll need to agree to Microsoft's terms and conditions, so click Accept when prompted. Then press Continue a few times as needed to advance through any initial setup screens and introductory information. You'll find yourself on the home screen of Microsoft Teams. From here, let's get started with your chat feature. Tap on the chat icon and then look for the new message icon. This is where you can compose a new message to a colleague or a contact. Type the account name of the person you want to chat with. Once you've entered it, click Next to proceed. Congratulations, you are now ready to start chatting with others. Returning to the home screen is easy. Tap on the profile icon, typically located on the left side. Here you can manage your account details. If you wish to edit your profile name, tap on your name, then select Edit. Go ahead and make your changes, and when you're satisfied, hit Save to update your information. Now let's talk about scheduling a meeting. Navigate to the Calendar section and click New Meeting. Start by typing in the title of your meeting, then add participants by entering their names or email addresses. Once added, click Done. Scroll down to set the date and time for your meeting to ensure everyone's on the same page. After setting the schedule, click Done to finalize it. There you have it, a scheduled meeting set up successfully in Microsoft Teams. Congratulations, you've navigated the essentials of Microsoft Teams on your iPhone. With these foundational skills, you're well on your way to mastering the app and enhancing your productivity. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.